Hallucinogens classification. First is psychedelic. 5-hydroxytryptamine receptor agonist. 5-HT2A agonist. Tryptamines and phenethylamine. Tryptamine, example LSD, lysergamide, or substituted tryptamine, DMT, dimethyltryptamine, bufotenin, xylozibin. Phenethylamine, methamphetamine, cathinone, mescaline. Serotonin releasing agents, that is substituted methylene dioxyphenethylamine, MDMA. Cannabinoid, CB1 receptor agonist, tetrahydrocannabinol. Dissociatives, NMDA receptor antagonist, ketamine, dextromethorphan, phenylcyclidine, methotrexatamine. Kappa receptor agonist, morphine, butyranofol, oxycodone, pentazocine, salvinorin A. Delirium, anticholinergic, datura, alkaloid. Thank you.